Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another non-phone customer service work from home job lead. Now, this one is doing customer support through email and chat. But as always, if this job lead is not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And the links to everything I discuss will be in the description box below. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Goldcast. Now, Goldcast is a business-to-business marketing company, and they're trying to transform the future of event marketing through integrated event orchestration platforms purposely built for the business-to-business marketing and sales teams. So the customer support team with Goldcast provides customer support for their enterprise customers. So you'll offer ongoing support to all Goldcast clients via chat and email, so non-phone. You'll monitor the client events during your support shift. Sometimes this can include watching the event live, being live streamed, or actually having an open phone line with them listening in to the event. You'll assist the customer success team with event setup for their managed service clients. You'll know the ins and outs of the Goldcast platform, and you'll collect any customer feedback and share that with the product team. Now, the hours of this position is a little bit different. They're looking for someone to be able to work 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So if you're not in those two time zones, make sure you convert your time to those time zones and see if that works for you. It does look like they are hiring within the United States as long as you can work those times. They prefer someone with 1 to 3 years of experience in customer support, someone who's experienced managing a high support request volume, somebody who can perform under pressure and still be productive and is good at problem solving and has a basic understanding of how virtual event platforms work. If you have experience working with ticketing systems like Zendesk in the past, that is great. Now, of course, this position did not list the pay. Of course, that is always dependent on location and experience and would have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.